What's up guys? I'm back with today's video. So today we covered 7's Day NYC, and what that is essentially this event that's hosted by Prime NYC that happens every July 7th in New York City, where all the rotary cars, including all the JDM cars around the tri-state area, to come together and have a crazy event. This is something that it's been on my bucket list for a while. As somebody who's from Hawaii, watching Crispy Media, Halcyon, and all these bigger creators based in New York City, just always thought that I always wanted to come to this event and I attend this event, and honestly it was insane. And today I basically want to show you guys everything about from the top to end. This organized event was started by this group called Prime NYC. Prime NYC is an organization started by a couple of individuals based in tri-state area, New York City, where what would be the craziest idea to bring all the car guys that's in the city, and what if we do something together? There was always a car culture, a very strong one, exists in New York City. It's just that it was never out there. People didn't know about it, or I would say only locals knew about it. I think what they practice the most is authenticity and the vibes and then the energy, and to me that was something really cool. Oh my god, it's so hot right now, like New York is insane. Alright, train's here. Let's head out to Times Square. Alright guys, as you can see, I am in Times Square, and Times Square is honestly very hectic. There's a lot of people. I have to kind of just walk zigzag, and everyone's taking a photo. Ooh, there's cars coming in. People were having such a good time, being respectful. And you know what? This is the kind of culture that we as car community should practice. Oh my god, that was insane. That was insane. I have never seen anything like that in my life. Really appreciate you guys for watching this video. It's been 6 months and I'm so happy that I'm back, and I'm going to continue post more content in the future, so keep you guys posted on that. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.